Hello, everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to hide FaceTime from the home screen on your iPhone. If you rarely use this app or simply don't want it to be constantly visible, there's an easy way to hide it without deleting it. Follow this tutorial, and in just a few steps, your home screen will be cleaner and more organized. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and find the Screen Time section. When you find it, tap on it. Inside the Screen Time section, look for Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap on it. If this option is not enabled, turn it on by tapping the switch. Once that's done, you'll see various options. Here, find Allowed Apps and tap on it. When you enter, you'll see a list of apps that are currently allowed. All you need to do is find FaceTime on the list and toggle the switch next to it off. Once you do this, FaceTime will immediately disappear from the home screen and won't be visible until you turn the option back on. Now you can return to the home screen and you'll see that the FaceTime app is no longer there. The app has been successfully hidden and cannot be opened until it is re-enabled through the Screen Time settings. And that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.